2015 murder of the wealthy Northwest businessman and the attempted murder of his business associate Mpho Baloyi. The four earlier argued that there was no evidence linking them to the assassination of the politically connected businessman. The judge, however, did not agree. For more on the story, we cross live now to our colleague Mothoa. A very good morning to you, Molemo. What has transpired this morning in court?
Good morning, Desiree. Indeed, we're coming live to you from the Pretoria North Gauteng High Court, where judgment on the murder case of Wandile Bozwana is expected to be handed down. As we recall that he died in a hail of bullets in 2015 whilst traveling from Johannesburg to Pretoria with his business associate Mpho Baloyi, who actually escaped with multiple injuries. And subsequent to that, four of the alleged killers were arrested, including Vusi Khekhe Mathibela, who's dubbed the Mamelodi #1 Tsotsi, and their trial started in 2018 after the matter was transferred from the Pretoria Regional Court to the High Court. And there's been a lot of delays and postponements, as we have seen previously, the four launching an application to have the case against them dismissed. At the time, they argued that there was no evidence linking them to the assassination of Bozwana and the attempted murder of Baloyi. However, the judge dismissed their application, saying that they have a case to answer, and the prosecution actually aimed at linking them to the incident using cell phones, video footages, as well as confessions. However, the defense quashed the evidence, saying that the evidence actually relied heavily on the cell phone expert who testified in court that the devices of some of the accused were actually detected in the vicinity of the crime scene. Also saying that the expert had actually also considered that the records used to map a person's movements using a cell phone were not always accurate. However, the prosecution had indicated that all the fingers are pointing to the four accused, who in a surprising turn of events had actually chose not to testify in their defense. Desiree?
Thank you so much for bringing us up to speed with events today. Of course, a lot of interest in the outcomes of this particular case.